Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little video of my credit card knife that I just received. It comes with this nice little vinyl package that it slides into. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. So it comes in this nice little credit card package, a little vinyl pack that fits nice in your wallet, in your bag, in your backpack, or even in your pocket. So it's super easy to pull out, okay? And as you can see, it has a couple bends in it. And right there is your blade lock. So you just kind of turn that with a spin of the knob there. And the first thing that you do is you flip that up, okay, with one finger. It's easy to do. And then the next thing, you bring your small one in, and then you bring your big one in, and it locks into place, and it goes right there. You have a nice little knife, very sharp. You can see the edge there has a nice beveled edge, and where you've got a nice hold, and you have a nice safety for your thumb to come there, and this triangle kind of stops your finger from getting onto that knife edge there, so a little bit of protection. And then to close it up, it's super easy. You just pop that out, it literally folds back into place, and all you do is you turn that little knife edge, or that little lock, into place. A little harder when I'm doing it one-handed, bear with me. There you go. I don't know if you saw that with me, but it's turned in, and so that knife isn't going to pop out now as I place it in there. And I simply put it back into my little vinyl pocket, and it is ready to use and ready to carry with me anywhere I go. Awesome, thanks guys. Hope you enjoy it.